Soil, the miraculous compound that swathes the earth. Although it looks quite uncomplicated, soil actually has a highly complex structure and contains a substantial ecological system within itself. The compounds in soil include various minerals, substances such as water, oxygen, and humus, as well as plant and animal wastes. In addition, there is also a living component of soil, from which the substances and compounds that give the soil its basic characteristics come. Elements and substances resulting from chemical processes performed by bacteria, fungi, and other microorganisms are among these.
Close inspection shows us that soil is a miraculous mixture made up of a great many different elements, chemical substances, and microorganisms. When elements and organisms that have no effect on their own come together, they produce a special material that is of vital importance to both us and to the ecological equilibrium. The substances in the soil and the proportions thereof have been very specially created to make the soil fertile and productive. Let us consider the medicines we use when we fall sick. All of these drugs are obtained by combining different substances in varying proportions, and we then wait for them to have a beneficial effect on the human body. Numerous specialists work for months on end to do this, and to produce the drug best suited to human health. In the same way that numerous chemicals are used on the basis of specialized knowledge in the manufacture of a drug, the soil that represents the food source of all living things is created by the elements and microorganisms that comprise it being brought together through a special scientific knowledge. In addition, although a drug can be produced by human hand, it is impossible to obtain even a handful of productive soil in that way.
It is estimated that between 150 to 350 years need to pass for 1 centimeter of soil to form. Soil capable of use in agriculture takes 20,000 years to form, even under the most appropriate conditions. This all shows that soil did not come into being by chance, but is the result of creation through God's sublime might and knowledge. Just pouring water on soil can be enough for many plants to emerge from it. The way that millions of tons of vegetables, fruits, trees, and plants continue to emerge from the soil every year gives us an idea of the intense nature of the chemical processes going on inside it. Just reflecting on that magnificent fact is enough for one to properly appreciate the knowledge, might, and compassion of God. In one verse of the Quran, God says, "Do they not see how we drive water to barren land and bring forth crops, by it which their livestock and they themselves both eat? So will they not see?"